Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to take apart to replace the glass screen assembly on your Apple iPhone 12. Welcome back to another video. My name is Sergio with Serg-Tech, and in this channel I do a lot of tech reviews and tutorials, so subscribe if you haven't and hit the bell to get notified on my future videos. There's going to be links to all the information that I talk about in the description down below, so check that out. And let's jump right into the video now. So let's begin. First thing we have to do is make sure you power your iPhone off. So let's press the power button and slide to power off. And next thing we're going to need is this tool set for iPhone repairs. And this is going to bring all of the necessary screwdrivers and tools to repair your iPhone 12. So first thing we're going to need to do is remove the two bottom Pentalope screws with the Pentalope screwdriver. So with the two screws out of the way, now we can go ahead and heat up the screen of the iPhone 12 in order to release the screen from the frame, which is held together with an adhesive. So we're going to go ahead and heat it up on a hot plate. You can do this also with a hairdryer or a heat gun by moving it consistently on the screen. But I'm going to set it to about 110 degrees Celsius here on the hot plate and leave it on there for about 2 to 3 minutes. So something we're going to want to use is gloves for the heat so that we can hold the iPhone to work on it. So after a few minutes, once the iPhone is hot enough, we're going to go ahead and grab it with the gloves. And the iPhone should be hot enough so that when you touch it, it burns a little bit. So for this next step, we're going to be using this very thin metal prying tool. You can also use something similar as long as it's very thin and solid so that you can place it between the metal frame of the iPhone and the screen assembly, because we're going to need to wedge up on the screen here, giving a little bit of pressure upwards to release the adhesive. Now you're going to have to do this a few times. Take your time, especially if your screen isn't broken. Now obviously if your screen is already cracked and you're replacing it, you don't need to be this gentle because your screen is going to be replaced either way, so you can kind of give it more pressure without the fear of damaging the screen. I am taking my time here because this screen is not currently damaged. So I'm going to be using the help here of this plastic thin card to also wedge around the other side of the screen of the iPhone 12. And we're going to go down both sides, releasing the adhesive little by little. And then we're going to go down the entire side here of the iPhone. And then we're going to go down the other side as well, removing all of the adhesive, holding the screen and the frame together. So as you can see, the screen now is lifting up a little bit towards the bottom. I'm going to place it on the hot plate for a little bit longer to loosen up the adhesive. There we go. Now we can continue going down the side here of the iPhone. And in case your iPhone powers on, which it can happen accidentally, just go ahead and power it right back off and continue removing the adhesive to separate the screen. So we're going to continue down the entire left side of the phone, and we're going to be very careful here on this side because it does have the cables that connect the touchscreen digitizer and the OLED screen to the motherboard of the iPhone 12. So just continue gently working up the iPhone with both sides, and once you see that the screen starts lifting up, you'll be able to notice the cables here on the left side of the iPhone 12. So let's continue working towards the top, and once you get all the way towards the top, you can go ahead and grab the iPhone with your hands and just give it a little bit of pressure to the left side so the rest of the adhesive on the top of the iPhone 12 will be removed. And open it up carefully so that you don't damage the cables, as there will be some adhesive left over on the left hand side. And then you can go ahead and open your iPhone 12 up completely. And there you go, that is the inside of the iPhone 12. So next up, what we're going to need to do is we're going to need to remove two screws with the Y-tip screwdriver that are holding down the flex cables for the screen and the battery. So let's go ahead and remove those two screws. And then we're going to go ahead and disconnect the battery, which is very important so that we don't have any electricity running through the phone. So let's put the battery cable back here and out of the way. Then we can go ahead and disconnect the first cable, which is the OLED and display cable. And then we're going to disconnect the touchscreen digitizer cable. Next up, we're going to be removing 4 more screws with the Y-tip screwdriver, holding down a bracket that is holding down another cable. So let's go ahead and remove those. And once all 4 screws are removed, we can go ahead and lift up the bracket with our fingers and move it out of the way. And then all we have to do is remove the last cable, which connects to the ear speaker portion of the screen. Once that last cable is disconnected, we can go ahead and separate the screen from the frame of the iPhone. If there's some adhesive stuck onto the frame, we can go ahead and place it back onto the frame of the iPhone and put it back in its place. So we're going to have 2 more wide tip screws and 2 Phillips head screws holding down the speaker assembly of the iPhone 12. So let's go ahead and remove those. Once the screws are removed, you can go ahead and lift up gently on the speaker assembly. However, it will be held down with some more adhesive. So with the plastic prying tool, you will gently give pressure upwards on the proximity sensor and microphone input. And we're going to gently squeeze under it and lift it up gently until it's out of the socket. Then we're going to go ahead under the sensor right here and slide under it gently to completely remove the adhesive holding it down. And the entire speaker assembly will be released. So with the ear speaker assembly out of the way, here we have your naked iPhone 12 OLED screen, and this is the part you're going to need in order to replace your previous cracked screen. So here I have the previous iPhone 11 screen, which is an LCD screen. So I just want to show you the difference between OLED and LCD. The OLED is much lighter than the LCD. Also, the iPhone 11 had the cables here on the right-hand side of the screen, while on the iPhone 12, it's on the left. The front of the screen looks pretty much the same though. But if you put them side by side, you will notice that the iPhone 12 screen is much thinner than the LCD screen on the iPhone 11, as you can see here. So when buying the screen to repair your iPhone 12, make sure that you get the correct OLED screen for it. And we're going to have a link to the correct OLED screen in the description down below as well. Alright, so once you get your iPhone 12 screen, it should look just like this. And then all we're going to have to do is put everything back together in reverse order. First thing we're going to put back together is the speaker and sensors assembly. So we're going to position it right at the top of the screen here and place all of these sensors back in their brackets. So we're going to position the proximity sensor in first, click it in, then the microphone over here. And if you just press them down gently, they will stick, as they do have a little bit of adhesive left over. So just press them down and they will stick back into their place. Once they're all positioned properly, we can go ahead and flip the speaker over to its correct position, where these screws will fit right back into their slots. So once you have that ready, hold it in place with one finger and place the 2 Phillips head screws and the 2 Pentalope screws back in as well. Once all of these screws are back in, then we're ready to connect the cables back onto the motherboard. So let's connect the top cable first for the speaker and sensors. Once you hear a click, it's ready to go. Then we're going to go ahead and connect the touch screen and digitizer cable at the bottom here. And then the OLED display cable. Once you have all 3 cables connected, then we can go ahead and connect the battery once again. Once all of the cables are connected, we can go ahead and place this top bracket back on, and notice that it does have a small latch here to hold it down. So position it and hold it down with one finger, and then place the 4 tri-tip screws to hold it together. So once that bracket is completely on, we have one more bracket to put back, and it's the one covering the battery and the screen cables at the bottom, and we're going to put the 2 white tip screws back on to hold it in place. So once the 2 screws are back on and both brackets are on, we are ready to close the iPhone 12. So how we're going to do this is we're going to press the top of the phone in first until the screen is nice and flush in the frame, and then we're gonna give it some pressure on the sides gently until the sides are completely flushed into the frame as well. And it should look like new. The screen will go entirely inside the iPhone, and then we're just gonna place the 2 Pentalope screws back on at the bottom. Tighten them with the Pentalope screwdriver, and your iPhone 12 screen replacement is all done. So let's go ahead and power it on. And as you can see, the screen will look like new. It will be flushed completely into your iPhone 12. Alright, so that is how you replace the OLED screen on your iPhone 12. So hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead and give it a like if it helped you out. We have links in the description down below where you can get the screen for your repair. And that's all for this one. And as always, peace.